problem 11.73, we have a gate, hinges A and B, and then there's been a cable attached from point C to point D that's then tensioned until there's no horizontal force. So we want to know what the tension in this cable is. We want to know what the horizontal force at B is, because we know it's 0 here at A, but there's going to be some at B. And then we want to know what the total vertical force is combined from A and B. We can't find them separately with the information we're given, but we can find their sum. So if we use B as our origin about which we compute our torques, both the x and y components of the tension are going to be contributing, because the line from B to here is not along one of the coordinate axes, and so neither one is parallel or anti-parallel to it. So it's a little bit of a wrinkle, compared to what we usually see in these problems, but we can handle it. So this is times 4 meters. Plus T cosine of 30 degrees times 2 meters. That's because it has a moment that's 2 meters and the horizontal one has a moment that's 4 meters. And then minus the weight of the gate, which has a moment of 2 meters as well. And so this has to equal 0. So we just solve this for the magnitude of the tension. And it's going to be W over 2 sine, just save ourselves some writing and call it theta, so 30 degrees, plus the cosine of theta. Plug in the numbers, and this is 375 newtons. Now, to find the horizontal force, we again use or not again, but we use now the force condition for equilibrium. Horizontal forces have to sum to 0. And so the x component of the force at B minus the tension component is 0. And only the tension is providing any other horizontal forces in this problem. So the horizontal component of the force at B is equal to 325 newtons. Now, using this except for y, we know that F-A-Y plus F-B-Y, and the sum of these two things are what we're finding, because recall I said you can't find them separately, but you can find their sum. And the reason is because we don't have enough equations. plus the vertical component of the tension minus the weight is equal to 0. And then you just take the relevant things over to the right-hand side, put the numbers in, all of which we already know. And so the total vertical force is 512 newtons.